Stamback with Pacific Charters, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare rockfish, which is a fish that we have out here on the Pacific coast, and it's really popular to go fishing for, and it's a very tasty and mild fish. So here's what we're going to start with. We're going to be braiding this with a Panko. You can use whatever brand you want. This is just the one that I picked up at the store that was local to me. So you're going to need breading. The next thing you're going to use is you're going to have some eggs for egg wash, and you'll be dipping the fillets into the Panko. And then for the frying portion, because we're making fried fish, I'm going to be using peanut oil. And this is Planters peanut oil. And peanut oil gives you that restaurant taste. Okay, so what I like to do is get everything set up on my cutting board here, and I form an assembly line. So I got my fish right here, and I forgot to mention the fact that we need to use some flour, and it'll tell you right on the back of your Panko about the flour. And then I got egg wash and Panko. So we have everything here that we need to grill up or deep fry some fish. The first thing we're going to do is take your piece of this fish here is a Gopher Rock fish. So we're going to take a piece of Gopher Rock fish, and you're going to put it right in the flour. After the flour goes the egg, and then after the egg goes the Panko. All right, I'll show you one more. Here's the other half of that gopher cod, or Gopher rockfish. You guys can Google these, check them out. They're very interesting fish. I'll try to post some pictures, show you guys what they are. Go in the egg wash and into the Panko. Now I find the Panko to be the, I think it's the best breading you could use. Okay, so after we get all of our Panko breaded up, our fish, you can see that I've added some to the grease here, or the peanut oil, I should say. And I just go ahead and just fill the whole pan up. And so what we're going to do is we're going to let these cook until they're golden brown. And that'll probably take about 5 or 6 minutes, sometimes less, depends on how high you have your heat. But this is a gas stove, and I have it set on just above medium. Go through, check your fish, and I like to flip mine over and make sure they're not cooking too much on one side, especially if you're using a cast iron pan like I'm using. And by the way, I love to cook in cast iron because it retains its heat so well. Okay, once these things become golden brown like you see right here, then go ahead and start removing them from the oil. And they all finish up about the same time, but some of the bigger ones take a little longer. But you just go ahead and remove them from the oil and lay down a paper towel so it will absorb some of the peanut oil off of the fish. Just look at that. Beautiful. And this tastes so good. You can't believe how good this is going to taste. Some of you are wondering what Pacific Charters is. I'm a professional fishing guide out here on the California coast, and I take people out and we do rock fishing trips. And I take out small groups and we go out and we catch fish, and I'm just showing you what you can do with some of the fish that you catch. After we're done, some of the sides that might go with this is coleslaw. And I'm a big fan of Tater Tots. So we'll just take a little coleslaw, load it up on here. Couple pieces of fish. And some tater tots. And you can also use your favorite dipping sauce. Tartar sauce, cocktail sauce, ketchup.
Lemon.
And that's it. So this is homemade fish and chips with Shawn Stamback from Pacific Charters. We hope you have a great weekend. Thanks.
Go down there and that pouch.